Very good morning children, welcome back to EVS class. Today I am going to teach you 9th block. The topic is keeping surroundings clean. In this block we have 4 lessons. Today I am going to teach you first lesson. The first lesson is why clean surroundings. Why we have to keep our surroundings neat and clean. In this lesson we are going to learn. Now next first one, once we'll quickly look at the keywords. First one is waste, second one is garbage. The things which are all no use for us can be thrown away in the dustbin. So why we have to throw all the waste in the dustbin? In this lesson we are going to learn. Everyone check out your EVS readers. We'll read the lesson. A short story is there in that lesson. We'll read the lesson. Open your EVS readers. Now page number 57, block 9, keeping surroundings clean. Now here they gave one short story. We will see the short story. What is there in the story? This story is about a city in our country, India. Some years back, people used to throw waste here and there on the roads, in open grounds and even in water bodies in the city. The waste kept laying at places for many days. There are puddles of dirty water all over. No one picked up the waste or cleaned the puddles. Soon the city was attacked by a disease called plague, which is caused by rats. It killed almost 200 people. The people and the government were forced to take steps to clean the city. Today it is a clean and beautiful city. Why we had to keep the city neat and clean? If we won't keep the city neat and clean, throwing all the dust here and there on the roads near our houses, what will happen? It may cause diseases, people fall ill. What are the effects of the dirty places? Means bad smell will come. Due to the bad smell, we will fall sick. City looks dirty. Mosquito and rats attracted in that places. So that we will fall sick and we will not able to stay healthy. Now take out the reader, page number 58, keeping surroundings clean. Need to keep the surroundings clean. Look at the picture children. Here they gave 2 pictures, dirty surroundings and clean surroundings. Now look at this street. They throw all the dust here and there. Such a big dustbin is there. They are not using the dustbin. They throw the dust wherever they like. Now in the next picture, look at this picture. Nicely they kept the surroundings in front of their houses neat and tidy. Now we will read the lesson. Need to keep the surroundings clean. We should keep ourselves clean to stay healthy. We should also keep our surroundings clean to stay healthy. We can fall sick if places around us are dirty. When water gets collected here and there, mosquitoes grow in it. We can fall sick if mosquitoes bite us. Waste from the kitchens and bathrooms, wastewater, it will go into the drains and add into the large drains. These large drains are thrown away out of the cities and towns. Always we have to keep our surroundings neat and clean. If anybody is not keeping their surroundings neat and clean, they cannot stay healthy for a long period. So they will fall sick. So all the time we have to keep our surroundings, ourselves neat and clean to avoid diseases. Now take out your EVS workbook. Now open your worksheet children, volume 2. Volume 1 we finished, volume 2 9th block for S1 worksheet first one. Here write today's date, why clean surroundings. Now circle the picture that act that show ants that will help to keep the surroundings clean. Here they gave 4 pictures, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now which picture is showing how to keep their places neat and clean? Here in this first picture they are sweeping the roads. In the next picture, look at this picture, children. All the garbage is thrown here and there. In the third picture, all the waste they are throwing in one dustbin. See this picture, the person is throwing the waste paper or whatever waste on the road only. So you have to circle the pictures that shows keep the surroundings neat and clean. Here you have to circle first picture and third picture. Now we'll move to the second one. What are the effects of garbage laying here and there? Answer is garbage rots and gives out a bad smell. Garbage attracts flies, rats and other animals. Germs can grow on garbage and cause diseases. Now next, third one. Rohini throws the garbage from her house outside on the road. Is this a correct thing to do? Why or why not? Answer is no, she should not throw garbage outside her home because this makes the surroundings dirty. She might also fall it because the garbage will attract flies and germs. Now in this way you have to complete the worksheet, children. Write neatly. See you in the next class. Thank you.